Fix in 5. Got a P0604? Let's break it down. What it is, why it happens, and how to fix it. Your car is telling you it's not okay. Believe it. First, the symptoms. Vehicle will not start or fails to crank, engine cranks but will not ignite, severe limp mode, extremely limited power, check engine light illuminated, loss of all engine functions in some cases. Now the most likely causes. ECM, PCM internal processor failure. ECM, PCM memory corruption. ECM, PCM power supply circuit failure. ECM, PCM internal clock failure. Defective ECM, PCM module. How to fix it. Replace ECM, PCM with OEM or remanufactured equivalent. Reprogram or flash ECM, PCM with correct firmware for vehicle. Repair or replace damaged ECM, PCM power supply circuit if identifiable. Clean and reseat all ECM, PCM connectors and ground connections. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €180 to €450, parts only, professional reprogramming required, doing it yourself, or €300 to €570, parts plus labor, at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, will P0604 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0604 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0604. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.